Hey everyone, this is Nikhil from Cinematic and I'm back with another video. So today I'm really excited as I'm traveling towards the Atal Setu Expressway and I'm gonna drive my Ford Ecosport for the first time. And this is going to be my second POV drive as I've already recorded one on the Mumbai Express Highway. If you haven't seen it, you can click on the above I button and see it. So what makes this video exciting is that I'm gonna drive my Ford EcoSport, which is a diesel engine, and it gives that immense pleasure when that turbo kicks in. So it is going to be a fun to drive the car on that 21-kilometer stretch highway. So let me just quickly show you around the outside and inside of the car. So guys, this is the 2016 titanium diesel variant. It is a older version. As you can see, this has the sync option over here. In the newer variants we get the Android touchscreen. So we won't go deep into the specification. What I really wanted to show you is that this headrest mount, which I used to record the POV drive video, and it is really sturdy and fits into the headrest. And I use my iPhone 13 Pro Max, which has the digital stabilization, so the videos are less bumpy. So if you want this thing, you can click on the link in the description box and get yours. So now let's open the gate and let me show the car from outside. Guys, look at this beautiful Black Panther color, which looks really cool on this aggressive design. This car has the ability to make the owners look back at it whenever they park their car. So anyways, I have already made a video on all the specification and insights of this car. So if you haven't watched the video, you can click on the above I button and see that video. So guys, now let's hop back into the car and I'm gonna set up my mobile and everything, and we're gonna roll straight towards the Atal Setu. And from now on you won't be hearing me, as this will be a pure POV drive. So without waiting any further, let's start the video.